Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting precisely what you need and preparing the first elements. Cut your paper stack to size and square the edges. This creates clean signatures. Fold groups of pages evenly, using a bone folder to make crisp creases. While you work on folds, prepare the cover board and measure spine width. Once done, mark stitch positions with an awl. This sets a reliable foundation so later steps align and binding holds for long-term use. Next, you assemble and bind the signatures to form the journal interior. Thread your needle and follow a consistent stitch pattern. Start in the center hole and work outward. This locks signatures together and prevents shifting. Make sure to keep tension even but not so tight the paper puckers. Once stitched, glue a thin strip of cloth along the spine to reinforce it. This helps when attaching the cover. Allow glue to set while you check alignment. Accurate spine work makes the book open smoothly. You finish by attaching the cover and doing final quality checks to ensure longevity. Apply a thin bead of PVA to the spine and position the cover so the boards align flush. Press corners and wrap the cover material tightly. Trim any overhangs and sand the edges lightly if they are rough. Once assembled, press the journal under weight for several hours to cure. If you see warping, gently humidify and repress. If the binding feels loose, reinforce with extra.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.